Ito naman, tuturuan ko kayo ng package unit. Itong 3 wire na to, 3 phase to 20. Ito yung supply ng dalawang compressor, 2 compressor. Papasok siya dito sa drive contactor, 1 drive contactor and 2 drive contactor. Dahil itong bawat isang contactor meron siyang load na compressor na 10 tons. 10 tons to. Yan. 10 tons ang load nito. Tsaka ito 10 tons. Ito yung drive ng compressor, contactor, drive. Ito naman yung condenser control, contactor condenser control. At ito naman yung timer. Yan, timer. Gagana siya. Meron siyang oras, time, na kung ilang oras siyang tatakbo, mag-automatic, mag-i-start. At ito naman yung motor saver. Motor saver, dinidetect niya yung low voltage, high voltage, and single phase, because this supply is 3 phase. If the power is single phase, automatic shutdown, not running.